This is a flexible LED filament, very soft. It runs on 3.7 volts and is fun to play with. It's perfect for making a night light. It glows like neon, bright and beautiful. Attach a reed switch to one end, so you can use a magnet as a proximity switch. When the magnet gets close to the reed switch, the magnetic field makes the contacts polarize. The reeds get magnetized, and when the force beats the spring tension, the reeds stick together and close the circuit. Pretty cool, right? The filament's positive and negative are at each end. You can shape it like a beam. Use thin copper wire to power it. That's enough current. Add a nut for the magnet to stick to. Solder the reed switch here. One filament leaves the wire exposed. Add 2 more wires to cover it up. Print the model with a 3D printer. Remove supports and pose it. That's it. Doesn't it look awesome? Like Goku's Spirit Bomb? Use 2 18,650 batteries, a switch, a charging module, and a buck module. 2 cells in series give 7.4 volts. Step it down to 3.7 volts with the buck converter. Paint the printed model. Use translucent material for the reed switch spot. Glue the printed energy ball with clear hot glue. Perfect. Run the LED wire through the body. The wiring stays hidden. Route it through the foot to the base and glue it tight. Add a fake rock in front of the energy ball. Embed the magnet inside and stick it in place. Finish the base with batteries and charger. All done. Look at this night light, who wouldn't love it? Isn't it super cool?